Hello holiday pals. Today I will draw Bluey celebrating Christmas with a dog friend, sparkly lights glowing, and joy spreading wide. While the picture comes to life, I'll share a cozy story filled with laughter and cheer. But first, remember to like this video and subscribe my channel, so more magical Christmas tales can appear. Snowflakes floated down softly, covering the ground in a blanket of white. Bluey hopped outside, her paws leaving tiny prints as the crisp air filled her lungs. In her yard stood a glowing Christmas tree, twinkling with red and gold ornaments. Beneath it, colorful presents waited patiently. Just then, a cheerful bark rang out. Bluey turned and saw another dog trotting happily toward her, a friendly pup with floppy ears and a wagging tail. "Merry Christmas!" Bluey called, her eyes shining bright. The dog barked again and bounded around her in circles, kicking up snow. Together they laughed, their voices mixing with the jingling bells from the tree. "Let's play!" Bluey shouted, grabbing a snowball. She tossed it gently, and the dog leaped up, catching it midair before it burst apart in a sparkle of snowflakes. "Can you pretend to throw a snowball too?" Bluey asked with a grin. The two friends chased each other around the tree, rolling in the snow and making little paw-shaped angels. Laughter filled the night air, glowing brighter than any light on the tree. After the games, Bluey and her friends sat beneath a Christmas tree. The warm lights reflected in their eyes as they shared the joy of being together. Bluey nudged a small box toward her new friend. "This is for you," she whispered warmly. The dog sniffed it curiously and nudged it open with his nose. Inside was a shiny belt collar that jingled softly when he moved. The dog barked happily, tail wagging so hard that snow scattered everywhere. Bluey giggled. "Now you can jingle all the way!" Together they walked around the yard, the bell chiming with each joyful step. Fireflies glowed like tiny stars, and the cold night felt warm with friendship. When they grew tired, the two snuggled up by the tree, paws tucked close, watching the stars twinkle above. Bluey whispered, "The best part of Christmas isn't presents. It's being with friends who make your heart happy." Her friend licked her cheek, agreeing without words. And so, beneath the glowing Christmas tree, two dogs shared a night of laughter, kindness, and love. Close your eyes. Let snowflakes fall. Bluey and friend bring joy to all. Christmas shines both near and far. Friendship glows like a guiding star.